Alright, on the Cardinal gear door, it has bushings, plastic bushings in here. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one in here. And on this one here, that bushing's wore out. The other side is tight, so I got to replace that bushing. Okay, these are the bushings, and that's the part number, and they come in quantities of 10, at least when I bought them, and there's no shelf limit on them, so I had some left over.
So it turns out the problem was more than just a loose bushing, plastic bushing. This hole in this bracket was wallowed out. So what I did is I drilled it out concentric and then made a bushing here that you can see extends all the way through here, and then made it the inside ID so it would fit the plastic bearing part. Surprisingly, this looks like that this is much thicker than this, but these two parts are the same thickness. It's 0.084 inches thick, each one. So I attached this with some Loctite. These washers here are only there to keep this in compression until the Loctite sets up. The gear door is now reinstalled. This pin rotates fine, and there is almost no play. This one here might need in the future a bushing. One thing to note on these is this bushing in here. Okay, this bushing here tends to split after just a couple years, so check those, replace those. And also another big one is, let's see if I can get it here, this bumper here. These get hard, and once they get hard, they'll wear a hole in the door, plus they'll allow the door to close too far, and the door right here will rub on the front of the engine. Or no, right, sorry. It'll rub here and here and end up breaking, cracking. So there's two of those bumpers. One there, one there.